Hi there, Richard here from United Training. At United Training, our goal is to improve your skills behind the keyboard. Technology can be tricky, sometimes on purpose. We want to share a few tips to help you spot a phishing scam. No matter how prepared your IT departments, it only takes one user with an email account to expose your organization to a serious threat that could cost lots of money and headaches. Over 80% of malware and cyber attacks start with an email phishing scam. Here are some examples of things to look out for. Does the tone convey a sense of urgency? Does the email require immediate action? Emails with demanding requests like response required and a sense of urgency are created to distract the reader from their true intentions. Don't panic and click. Take a minute to really review the email and verify the information. Does the email address from the sender match the business name or location? This email is supposedly from Facebook, but if you take a look at the sender's email address, you will see it was not sent from a facebook.com domain. If you look closely and notice that the from email address has misspellings within it or does not match the organization they seem to represent, this is a clear sign that something is wrong. Did it come from someone you don't typically work with? Would they normally be asking for your help to complete the project or task? If this is the first time you are getting an urgent request from the CEO, think twice. In this example, Simone is being asked to transfer funds immediately. It's always a good idea to verify and confirm the request before clicking any links. Even if the task seems slightly unusual, it might be a phishing scam your company's emails and titles to hide their intentions. Many times the true sign of a suspicious email are common words that are misspelled. These misspellings are meant to give the email a human touch, providing just enough human error to seem credible without drawing attention to other items that are different, such as hidden links or the from email mentioned before. If you look closely, you will see several grammar errors in this email. For example, someone accessing your account and make changes. And the details. Those are some red flags to consider whether this is a scam. Did you spot all those scams? If not, no worries. The first step is being extra vigilant and cautious. If you want to learn more about how you can be cyber safe, sign up for one of our Cyber Safe half-day training programs, either as an individual or for your entire team. You can check out all of our security training offerings at unitedtraining.com. And don't forget, there's safety in numbers, so share this video with your team members and stay safe out there.